Hey, what's up everyone on this Labor Day weekend? Culinary Cop here, and we're going to do some smoked shotgun shells. Alright, so a little prep work. We're going to get some gouda cheese all ground up. Along with some sharp cheddar to add to our sausage. What a burger. Alright, so we're going to elevate this a little bit. A little jalapeno, a little chipotle. It's alright, just get your hands right in there. Get it good and mixed up. Get it well incorporated. Alright, we're going to use a little Recteq Screaming Pig. Some of Greg's 4-letter rub. All right. Now we've got to get our manicotti shells stuffed with our mixture. You can pipe it or try to pipe it in there with a Ziploc bag or something similar, but usually just getting a hold of it and getting your finger on it, get it in there just fine. The way I've got the shell positioned in my hand, I can feel it when it's getting to the other end and starting to get full. You'll also want to be just a little careful when getting these stuffed. You don't want to be overzealous and insert too much at one time or put too much pressure in with your finger, because the shells will split. Alright, so now that we've got them stuffed, we're going to wrap them with bacon. Nice little wrap there. You got the ends covered. Alright, now that we've got it all wrapped with the bacon, and just a little pro tip for you, you want to try to get your sausage and your bacon not to room temperature, but as close to room temperature as possible. Let it sit out for a little bit so that way your bacon will be pliable and easy to work with. And also when you're mixing the sausage, it'll mix in with the cheese and whatever other seasonings that you add to it. So let's get a little bit more of the Screaming Pig on there before we go put them on the grill. Alright, so we got the Recteq preheated at 340. Let's get them on the grill. Alright everybody, we're almost up to temp, so now we're going to get a little bit of sauce on it to glaze it over. Oh, it's smelling good. Smelling good. Going back to that smell-o-vision thing I was telling y'all about earlier. Somebody needs to invent that. If you've got the inside track, let me know. All right, hot off the grill. They are cooked. I can tell that the shells are soft just from the squeeze of the tongs. Nice little shiny glaze on them. Can't wait to bite into them. All right, everybody. Glaze looks good. Let's take a bite. Pasta's al dente. Sausage is great. Seasoned well. Fire up your grill and get you some. Have a great day.